Hey there, welcome to the channel. Today, we're going to tackle a common problem that many of us face at some point dealing with an old MacBook Air that has been wiped clean, even the recovery system. Ouch. So, you're left staring at a globe page on your MacBook Air trying to connect to Wi-Fi, but nothing seems to happen. How frustrating, right? Now, let's get into the solution. The key here is to download an older version of macOS. Anything up to and including Big Sur will work for your old MacBook Air from early 2014. You can create a bootable USB stick with the downloaded macOS version and use it to boot up your MacBook Air. This way, you can reinstall macOS and breathe new life into your device. Alternatively, you could opt for a lightweight Linux distribution like MX Linux, which can extend the usability of your old MacBook Air. Solution aside, give yourself a pat on the back for taking the initiative to revive your old MacBook Air. It's always a great feeling to give old tech a new lease on life. Remember, technology may advance quickly, but a little creativity can go a long way in getting the most out of what you have. And on that note, don't forget to hit subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below with your favorite tech revival story. Until next time, folks.